In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Xero Error 404 quickly and easily. If you're trying to access your Xero dashboard and suddenly see a 404 page not found error, don't worry. This is usually caused by a session issue, cache data, or a browser conflict, and it's very simple to resolve. I'll walk you through each step so you can get back into your Xero account without stress. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is completely log out of your Xero account. If you're still partially signed in, the system may keep redirecting you to a broken or expired session link, which triggers the 404 error. To log out properly, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your user initials. From the drop-down menu, select Log Out. Make sure the logout process fully completes before moving to the next step. Now here's a very important part. Do not use your usual bookmark to log back in. Many times, the 404 error happens because your saved bookmark points to an outdated or expired session URL. Instead of clicking your saved link, go directly to your browser's address bar and manually type login.xero.com. Press Enter and log in from there. This ensures you're accessing the correct and current login page instead of a broken link. If you log in and still see the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Cached files can sometimes store old session data that conflicts with Xero servers. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. On Mac, press Command+Shift+Delete. In the window that appears, select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to the last 24 hours to avoid removing everything unnecessarily. Then click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser completely and reopen it before trying to log in again at login.xero.com. If the issue still isn't resolved, the next step is to test in an Incognito or private browsing window. This helps you determine whether a browser extension is causing the problem. In Google Chrome, press Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on Mac to open an Incognito window. Then go to login.xero.com and sign in. If Xero loads correctly in Incognito mode, that means one of your browser extensions is likely interfering. In that case, disable your extensions one by one in your regular browser until you identify the one causing the conflict. In most cases, one of these steps will fix Xero Error 404 immediately. The key things to remember are to fully log out, avoid using old bookmarks, clear cache data, and test in Incognito mode to rule out extensions. These simple troubleshooting steps solve the majority of access issues without needing to contact support. And that's it. You now know how to fix Xero Error 404 quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.